In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack for client communication in 2026. If you want client conversations to feel organized, professional, and easy to manage, Slack can be a great solution. The key is setting it up in a way that keeps communication clear, secure, and simple for everyone involved. The first thing you'll want to do is create a dedicated workspace or at least a separate channel for each client. This helps you keep project files, discussions, feedback, and updates all in one place instead of mixing multiple clients into the same conversation. When everything is organized by client, it becomes much easier to find past decisions, review shared documents, and keep communication focused. Next, send a formal email invitation to each client so they can join their specific channel or workspace using their own account. This makes access straightforward and gives the client a clear, professional entry point into the communication system. A formal invitation also sets the tone that this is an intentional and secure space for project collaboration. Once your client is inside Slack, set clear communication ground rules right away. A simple and effective way to do this is by pinning a message in the channel. In that message, explain your working hours, your expected response times, and the best method for urgent or emergency communication. This is important because it creates expectations early and helps avoid confusion later. As conversations begin, make sure you use threaded replies for specific questions, feedback, or task updates. Threads help keep the main chat clean and readable, which is especially useful when a project starts getting busy. Instead of having multiple topics mixed together in one long stream, each discussion stays attached to the original message where it belongs. To make collaboration even smoother, connect your preferred project management and file sharing tools directly to the client channel. This allows everyone to see live updates and shared documents in real time without switching back and forth between platforms. It saves time and reduces the chance of missing something important. When text isn't enough to explain a complex detail, schedule check-ins and use Slack's built-in huddle feature to send quick video updates or talk things through more clearly. This can be especially helpful for reviewing progress, clarifying feedback, or solving issues faster than a long message thread. Finally, once the project is complete, archive the client channel or immediately review access permissions. This step helps protect sensitive business information and supports